World of military aviation is captivated by the pursuit of speed, with engineers and pilots constantly striving to push the boundaries of what's possible. The speed of fighter jets is measured in Mach numbers, which express the aircraft's velocity in relation to the speed of sound. Mach 1 is equivalent to approximately 767 miles per hour, mph, or 1234 kilometers per hour. In this video, we delve into the realm of the fastest fighter jets in the world. Number 10. Sukhoi Su-27 Flanker. The Sukhoi Su-27 Flanker is a highly maneuverable air superiority fighter jet that was developed by the Soviet Union during the Cold War. With a top speed of Mach 2.35 or approximately 1,553 miles per hour, 2,500 kilometers per hour. Number 9. Grumman F-14 Tomcat. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat was a legendary twin-engine supersonic fighter jet that served with the United States Navy from the 1970s to the early 2000s. With a top speed of Mach 2.3 or approximately 1,544 miles per hour, 2,484 kilometers per hour. Number 8. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet that represents the pinnacle of modern fighter aircraft technology. With a top speed of over Mach 2.25 or approximately 1,500 miles per hour, 2,410 kilometers per hour. Number 7. McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II. The McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II is a legendary fighter bomber that served with distinction during the Cold War and Vietnam War. Although not the fastest fighter jet on this list, the Phantom II was still an incredibly rapid aircraft capable of reaching speed of up to Mach 2.23 or approximately 1,470 miles per hour, 2,370 kilometers per hour. Number 6. McCoy MiG-31 Foxhound. The McCoy MiG-31 Foxhound is a modern supersonic interceptor aircraft that was developed in the 1970s to replace the aging MiG-25 Foxbat. With a top speed of Mach 2.83 or approximately 1,864 miles per hour, 3,000 kilometers per hour. Number 5. Convair XB-70 Valkyrie. The Convair XB-70 Valkyrie was an experimental strategic bomber designed to fly at high altitudes and supersonic speeds with a top speed of Mach 3.02 or approximately 2,056 miles per hour, 3,310 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Bell X-2 Starbuster. The Bell X-2 Starbuster was an experimental rocket-powered aircraft developed in the 1940s and 1950s to investigate the challenges of high-speed flight. Although not a traditional fighter jet, the X-2 managed to reach a top speed of Mach 3.2 or approximately 2,094 miles per hour, 3,370 kilometers per hour. Number 3. Lockheed YF-12. The Lockheed YF-12 was a prototype interceptor aircraft that served as a precursor to the famous SR-71 Blackbird. Although not as fast as its successor, the YF-12 was still an incredibly rapid aircraft capable of reaching speed of up to Mach 3.2 or approximately 2,275 miles per hour, 3,660 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird is a legendary reconnaissance aircraft that has earned its place in aviation history as one of the fastest jet-powered aircraft ever built. With a top speed of 3.4 Mach or approximately 2,500 miles per hour, 4,020 kilometers per hour. McCoy MiG-25 Foxbat. The McCoy MiG-25 Foxbat is a Soviet-era interceptor aircraft that held the title of the fastest fighter jet in service for over 50 years, capable of reaching speed of up to Mach 3.2 or approximately 2,190 miles per hour, 3,529 kilometers per hour. The MiG-25 was designed to counter the threat of high-altitude American bombers during the Cold War.